Now you have explored all the relevant tools for using SEMrush's pay-per-click toolkit to beat your competition online. Still, we would not be professionals if we did not report the results of our efforts to our clients and stakeholders. Fortunately, SEMrush offers a flexible tool for reporting the information you may feel is most relevant to those stakeholders. Return to the sidebar menu, and under Management you will see the menu for My Reports. Click the plus symbol and you will be prompted to create a new PDF report. You have the option to create a report from a template which is quick and effective, but a better option might be to create a custom report. Click blank, at which point you'll be taken to the report builder. Then click the Domain Analytics menu, then Advertising Research option, where you will be presented with the report widgets that you may find the most useful to present. In fact, there are more than 20 advertising research widgets. Dragging and dropping the widgets from the sidebar into your report window will present you with some parameters for creating a completely customizable report. Note, clicking the star icon next to the report in the sidebar will prioritize it as a favorite, while clicking the info circle will show you a preview of how that widget might look in your report. There are a couple of ways to organize these widgets. One way is to think about them in terms of data type, for example, table, bar, trend, or line graph. Another way to think about the organization of your custom report is to think in terms of internal versus external. In other words, which reports are best for helping you do your job versus the reports that your clients want to see. One of the powerful aspects of the report builder is that you can create reports that juxtapose data visualizations while organizing the page layout using elements like headers, text boxes, images, columns, and page breaks. You will want to be sure to upgrade your SEMrush account so that you can use your own logos on the cover page. A nice touch that your clients will appreciate and will make you look professional. Once finished setting up your report, be sure to edit your cover page, but remember that you can edit it later by clicking Quick Modify. Now let us finish the report by clicking the Generate PDF button. You will be given the option to email this report, schedule this report if you want to prepare it on a regular basis, and enable a table of contents. Finally, click Save Settings, then click Generate. The report is generated and automatically downloads to your designated Downloads folder on your device. By the way, if you have several clients, you might save a lot of time by creating a new template that you can reuse for each client. Let us end this course by suggesting a couple of tricks and tips for reporting. First, let me remind you that clients like to see data in different ways. So when you send a monthly report to your client, send several that paint clear but diverse views. For example, try configuring the Paid Search Positions Summary, the Position Changes Improved Paid Keywords widget, the Paid Search Traffic Cost widget, and the Paid Search Competitors widget.
Second, if you get lost or need some inspiration, head to the Tutorials button. Tutorial buttons are found throughout SEMrush's tools to assist you in creating an effective workflow.
Finally, don't forget to ask a native speaker to review your reports, especially any notes sections you may have added. Nothing turns customers off faster than a report full of misspellings, poor grammar, or out-of-context content. As with all new tools, practice makes perfect. So try the tools we mentioned today.
Now go forth and beat your competition online.
Good luck!